Okay, so we're starting in first for our travel triple run sequence. I'm going to take the arms to cross. At the same time, I'm tilting over to the right, and then I'm unpeeling the arms, palms are forwards, tilting to the left, and that's every time you do a triple run. So we take turns going to the right and to the left. So you've got this nice side-to-side motion with the torso. At the same time, we're going to take right, left, right, left, right, left. We're going to do 3 triple runs. So we're going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And then you're pulling up on that left leg, nice open arms into fourth. You want to elevate, and it's just a low arabesque, finding that supporting hip, finding that leg. Keep that leg nice and long and low. You're going to swing the arm over. So this arm is coming all the way over, it's slicing, and you're just letting it swing. The leg is just relaxed in a nice long arabesque. Swiping the space to go step, change the feet to land onto your left leg. So you've got your nice long arabesque. From here, you're going to go step, slice, step, jump, step. So I'm really finding this nice diamond shape in the legs before I step to turn around that corner. So you change the gear, make sure you're grounded into the floor. I'm going to go into run, run, stag, run, run, stag. So that means bent parallel front leg and low arabesque back leg. So I've got run, run, stag, run, run, stag.